Hello everyone, today I want to explain A and C problems from Codeforces round 893 div 2. So A problem, buttons. I give a read to problem statement and I start explaining. So as you can see here, there are three values given, A, B and C. So A can be done with only by first player, and B can be only done by the second player, whereas C can be done by either of them. So here we make our statements. So if, for example, take them A and B, or just first and second, A, B is much more convenient. So for example, A, B and C. So first of all, we should understand with A and B itself without adding C. For example, what if there are only A and B and A is greater than B? What can happen? So for example, 2 and 1. This gets 1 and also this gets 1. So now this moves and this becomes 0. Now B can't move, so A wins, right? Now otherwise, as you can see here, 2 and 1 and 2. Now 1 and 2. This becomes 0. This becomes 1. So now B wins. So what if the main thing is that what if they are equal? If they are equal, so 1 and 1, this moves, this moves. So now who won? It's now turn of A, so A can't move, so absolutely winner is B. Now we have A, B and C. So if A is greater than B, and whatever happens, so for example, A 1, 2, 1, 1, and in this case, so as you can see here, this first of all, this in the statement says they play optimally. So A player wants to choose, so let it be 2. A player wants to choose this, and this becomes 1. B player also wants to choose this, so this becomes 0. Now, as you can see here, this got 0, and make it 1, or 1. And so, if they if A is greater, then A is winner, not caring about C. It's also same with B. Now, if they are equal, it depends really on C. So for example, if C is divisible by 2, 0, so 1, 1, and it's 2. First player uses this and second player uses this. So now in this case is equal to this case, and winner is B. Otherwise, as you can see, 1, 1, 1. First player uses this, second player uses itself, and then first player uses its 1 and first player wins. So now we have got all the cases. We can write it code itself. So long A, B, C, then A, B, C. A problem was not that hard. I think this was a really easy problem. So if A equals B and C divided by 2 is C, A equals B. If C divided by 2 is 0, if it's 0, C out B and it is second. Otherwise, first. So else if a is bigger first, otherwise second. So also new line, and we'll check it with sample cases. So it's first, second, second. So first, second, second. So we will submit code. So I think in this round problem B was I think the problem B was problem C and problem C was problem B, because as you can see here on the dashboard, so this 13,000 people solved problem C, whereas only 5,000 people got problem B, and problem D is also another problem. So problem C is a very great problem. I really like this problem. You try reading this problem statement and I will start explaining. So if you read the statements and you know about GCD, greatest common divisor, so its score should be as large as possible. So for this problem, it's impossible to get this score that is bigger than this n2 n over 2 n over 2 in integers. For example, if it's 9, I mean this is estimated 4, so it's impossible to get higher than this score. So but we can get this score itself. So how it's done? So for example, if this given AI for example, if AI is 1, first character we choose is 1. After that we put starting from 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, and etc. So that and if there are, for example, if there are 6, we put 6, and 9, multiplying it by 2. I mean, for example, we start from for every character from 1 to n, adding 2. We will go through for every element j, as for every element starting from j till n, multiplying by 2, and just print this element. So for example, if it's 13, we will print 1, and now it's time for 3, or we should when we multiply it by 2, it's 2, 4, 8. So 16 is not here. 3. Now we are adding 1. 1 plus 2, it's 3. Multiply it by 2. Multiply it by 2. Now we can't multiply again. So we'll add 2 to 3, 5, 10. We can't multiply. 7. 14 is not here. 9, 11, 13, 15. 15 is extra. So this would be answer. So in this case we can get the maximum of the upper limit. So we'll try implementing it. So for every element starting from 1 till n I plus 2, and for every element j equals I, jn, and j multiplied by 2. So we will print the j and new line. So we will try to run our code if there are no errors. So as you can see in this case it's not the same as our case, but because they try to confuse people by these test cases, so we try to submit our code for problem C. So it's accepted. Goodbye everyone, and follow for more content.